her Suki because it's her name. I'm calling her.
Is Alex. Ariana is Pati.
I just woke up because I slept for so long.
Mama, it's na-empty na ang aming kasi po ang aming luggage. Punong-puno yan. Ha?
I thought that was one of our luggages.
What does it mean in English? What does her name mean? Does her name have a meaning? Does her name mean Cutie Patuti? I wonder if she can bite me.
Because
Really? I can talk with that stray cat in the warehouse.
yes, your jacket.
Yeah, yung kayong araw ka lang pumasok?
Oo. Hindi ako nakapasok ko lang ngayon lang. Ewan ko lang po. Hindi na po yan nagpasok. Alam po boy. Sagad mo.
1-9.
Bakit po kayo ang sir?
Last.
Bakit po?
Yan mo dun sa yung advantage ko. Yung point. Ay, dito pala. Wait lang.
Kunin ko lang yung scanner. Kunin ko lang po yung scanner.
Oo, sige. Toms, 1-9.
Resibo po?
Oo, resibo. I-sublime to sa Mapantay 20 pure gold at 8 megatangan.
Hindi, para makanon po.
Oo.
Patuti is sleeping. Auntie, does her name mean anything?
It means beautiful in Chinese.
Really?
Yasui, it's